Greetings! You may have seen this box before. This used to be a Crestron, basically a conference room controller unit for lights and audio and things, that I ripped the controller board out of and made my own, and it used to be, in my hands at least, a home appliance controller unit. But I've scrapped that project totally, and here I am running the display and the front buttons through a FTDI cable to LCD Smartie, which is running with a Winamp plugin, so I can display player data and do some visualizations. So I'm basically thinking about turning this into a internet radio. Slightly geeky, rack-mountable radio, but anyways. So, get a quick little demo here. Get a little list of songs loaded up. As you can see, the display is rather funky. It's a 2x40 LCD. It kind of looks like a OLED actually. However, it is not. It's sort of a darkish brown and yellow/green colored thing. It's kind of weird. It looks kind of funky. So we have these tracks loaded in Winamp. They are royalty free, so it shouldn't be an issue, but we'll see about that, huh? It's kind of propped up now, and I still need to fix some buttons, because as it is now, the buttons are basically connected as a voltage divider, which is running into a analog pin on the LCD controller I made. And you really have to want to push them to get the to get the right button press, so I need to fix that with a optocoupler board, or even a relay board would do, so I'll fix that, but this does for now. So we can play the track here. Get a volume control here. And as you can probably see, we get a spectrum analyzer here. And some file info. And if you press this, you get a couple of EU meters. This one doesn't work so well because the top line always shows more than the bottom. That is because it can't shuffle enough data to fill both lines. But the bottom one is flickering very quickly up to the point where the first one is, so it's sort of doing it. And it's a really cool display. It actually looks this bright in real life too, so it's very nice. So I can press that, get that screen, have that. There's some file and playlist info. Let's see. That works really well. Let's change track here. No Pyrodan is gonna like this one. And as you can see, this is track 5 in that list of 7. It works really well, actually. Works just as well with internet radio streams. I may reprogram the display to take 19,200 baud instead of 9600 because it is a bit slow for this. The volume control is a bit coarse, but it works nicely. And the spectrum analyzer is sort of quick actually. It's surprisingly good for being a serially attached display with only 9600 baud data rate. I mean, it's a bit sluggish, but that's what you get. It's sort of good. It has to move a lot of data to make this, so it's all fine. But yes, that is it for now. I have started on a menu screen here, however, I realized after doing these that I can only assign one button to do one thing. They can't be page specific, so these actually are not play, pause and stop buttons. These are, however, previous and next. So these still do these functions. So that's a bit of a shame, so I gotta rethink that. Or maybe there is an ugly ghetto hack, more than this ugly ghetto hack, where you can make the buttons be page specific. I'm gonna look into that. However, for now, this is it, and it looks like I'm actually gonna do this. I'm most likely gonna put my spare Intel NUC in there. This one here. This is the cheapest Intel NUC you can get. It's the Celeron one. I think this has 4 gigs of RAM, which is fucking overkill for an internet radio. I also think I have a decent sound card here. Oh yes, here it is. I bought this for a project and I never finished the project. This is a ASUS Sonar... What is this? Is this a U7? Yes, it's a Sonar U7 USB sound card. Only powered from USB, so that's rather nice. Gonna plonk that in there. It's a pretty nice sound card. So yeah, that'll be that. And I won't promise anything, but there will most likely be an update video on this. So that is it for now, and yeah. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later. Bye.